All right, welcome back. So episode 3, I said was gonna be all about the roast. So I'm gonna cover a couple of the basic roasts that you'll see in a grocery store. Very few times you'll see them in a restaurant, but I'm gonna get right into it and kind of give a brief description of how to cook them and what they're typically used for. So we're gonna start off with your rump roast. This is a very common grocery store cut. Something you're probably gonna see on a Thanksgiving dinner table, Christmas dinner table. It's a semi-lean piece of meat. Put in the oven, leave it alone for 20-30 minutes, and it's gonna actually fit really well on the center of a dining room table. Then we're gonna get into an interesting cut. The way it is, this is a 7-bone chuck roast. These things can be huge. You can make them 5, 6, 7 pounds. I particularly like this roast because there are multiple different parts of the animal or parts of the carcass in it, so you're going to get a lot of different eating experiences out of it. You're going to get some very lean, tougher pieces, then you can get some very tender, flavorful pieces. I broil this personally. I baked it. We've even put it on a smoker and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. Every time has been very good. This is a cheap piece of meat. Feed a lot of people and have a very enjoyable dinner. So then you're going to get into your arm roast. This is a big piece of meat right here. As you can see, there's a lot of different sections to it. You got a really lean piece, your kind of heavily marbled area. This you put in a slow cooker, crock pot, something like that. Put some carrots, potatoes around it. Turn it on in the morning, come back 8 hours later after work, and you're gonna have something that is warm and delicious waiting for you. Then we're gonna get into the chuck roast. This is a big piece of meat, square, nice and thick. Multiple ways to cut this and cook this. You can put it on a smoker and taste really good. You put it in an oven and bake it 350, 400. Gonna be good as well. I wouldn't really recommend broiling it because it's really thick, so all you're gonna do is make it really tough to eat. But this is good. You can actually even cut this up, make some little chuck steaks out of it, and yeah, just a kind of a variety, good, different piece of meat. And then, not really a roast, but it kind of carries the same deal, is your brisket. Your Texas favorite. It definitely looks more like a roast than any other thing. Needs to be slow cooked, smoked. You can bake it and make it really tender. Get some bread, probably some Texas toast, butter it up, lots of garlic, whatever it is. Put the meat in between it. You've got one hearty lunch, dinner. So there it is. These are your typical roasts that you're gonna see in a grocery store. A little bit how to cook them, and hope you enjoy.